Is your Windows 11 feeling sluggish? Most speed-up guides are full of placebo tweaks that don't actually do anything. Today, we're cutting the noise and focusing on 3 specific areas that actually reduce CPU and RAM usage. We're covering quick visual wins, the maintenance layer, and a secret task manager feature that saves your battery. First, for system health. Under Settings, go to System and then Storage. Turn on Storage Sense. This is Windows' built-in janitor. It automatically clears out temporary files and your recycle bin so your SSD doesn't get choked up by junk data. Next, hit Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Head over to Startup Apps. If you see apps like Spotify, Steam, or Teams marked as High Impact, right-click and disable them. They aren't uninstalled. They just won't hog your RAM the second you turn on your PC. While you're in Settings, go to Apps. Look through your installed list and uninstall anything you don't use. Manufacturers love to pre-install bloatware that runs background services you don't need. If you don't use it, get it off your drive. Now, everyone tells you to keep Windows updated, but they usually miss the most important part. Hit Check for updates to get the standard security patches. Here is the most underrated feature in Windows 11. Efficiency mode. In your Task Manager, find an app that's using too much CPU. Right-click it and select Efficiency mode. This forces Windows to deprioritize that specific process, preventing it from spiking your CPU usage and saving your battery life. It's perfect for those background apps that you can't close but don't want slowing down your main task.